Hello. Baby, it's cold outside. Yes. Because it's winter. It's going to be cold out here. Right, so the plan was meant to be emptying the Hoover bag out here. But we got no Hoover bags, so it's a trip to Screwfix. So second plan is we're going to feed my birds. Yes, so we're going to go down the garden and feed my birds. There's some. We have them all. God. Look at the mud. Oh, mud. Oh, mud. Knocked everything off. Of course. And the broke this. Yeah. That one's empty. I can hear you in my trees. I think we've got a low. Just be careful you don't get strangled with that. It's very low. How low can you go? That's not moving, so that's staying there. Right, let's do the bowl first. Let's go get some bird food, Mr. Producer. Desperately. Can't believe how muddy it is down here. That's the bowls filled anyway. I've got that to put out, but I want to wait a bit longer till it gets because it's meant to get really, really cold into January, February time. So I wanted to wait for that one. I do not know. Oh, it's empty, isn't it? He was on the floor. So let's fill it with this one. Is that one filled? So I've probably got another filling of them, and I've got a bag of suet pellets to go in there now. So good. I've definitely got more empty bags than full bags in my bird box. Definitely. I still have enough coconuts left. So that's good. Put two of these out. I won't mind nipping to be in them. What time do they close today? What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this one out of here because this has been in here a while, and I'm going to break it up. No, I put seed in there. Put a fresh one in there. You can already hear the bird telegraph, can't you? They heard it in the grapevine. Ooh. Never smells nice. It's suet. Sorry. I want to start making my own balls. Uh-oh. Houston, we have a problem. I might get a recipe to make my own suet balls. It's a very good idea, that, Mr. Producer. If I latch that in, it shouldn't make you get that out now. Right. Now what we're short of. seed, peanuts. Right. So I think we're done in this one. I've got one luxury bowl left. Oh no, one sunflower seeds out. Oh. Kind of opened how I wanted it to open, I think. Last time I put sunflower seeds in that bottom one. Should have seen the frenzy that happened. Might do that this time, mix it up with the seed. Put them on. Put them on there. Peanuts time. It's not muffin time, it's peanuts time. Mix them all up together now, look. Seem to like that better. Oh, sorry, I'm knocking, sorry. There. Oh yeah. So seed on there, I've got full peanuts, seed. Oh, that's full. That one is. They don't seem to like that one that much. They don't seem to like that container. I don't know why. I think they beat it up more than they feed from it. So what I might do, move that to the back. There. I have another container. Because I've seen Mama Finch up in the box. So we've got to keep her well fed. We do. Slide that one in there. Now it's just seed. Seed for my bones. Sugar for my bones. My puppy. Went on the floor. Hello, beautiful. How are you? You got a sunflower seed. You got a sunflower seed. That's why I do this. See my beautifuls makes it all worthwhile. It also means I've got to hurry up because they're hungry. I need to get another seed one. That one's getting a bit manky in the bottom and I can never get that bit out. Did you come back? Not be a minute, dude. You'll be able to go feed them in peace. Right, a bit more seed in the tray with this sunflower seeds. I did buy robin seed but the starlings all got it. Oh, the robins got jams. So just a that in there. Mix it up a bit. Mix it all up a bit. Ooh, falling over. Right then. Birds all fed. Yes, we better be quick because I don't want my robin to go without getting his dinner. I don't. So give me a like, guys. Give me a subscribe. Follow me on my Twitter and my Instagram, Adelesexyuk. Go and check out my amazing Patreon. Patreon helps to pay for my bird food. Keep my birds fed this winter. Google me, Adelesexyuk Patreon, or come through the links that are on my Twitter and Instagram, Adelesexyuk. Goodbye for now.